Create Figma design with AI. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open a browser and search for Figma.com. Once the site loads, click on Design, located in the top bar of the homepage. After that, scroll to the bottom and click on Actions in the bottom bar. In the search field that appears, type builder.io and press Enter. When the builder.io option appears, select it and go to the Design with AI menu. In the prompt field, type the phrase or row of recommended products, like would be on a home page, and press the Enter key to submit it. Next, click the button labeled Connect with Builder to proceed. Log in using your existing builder.io account credentials. After logging in, a pop-up will appear asking for authorization. Click Authorize and return to Figma, where builder.io automatically generate results based on the prompt you entered earlier. Review the design, then click the Import to Figma button to bring the generated content into your Figma workspace. Wait for the import to complete. You have now used builder.io with Figma to generate and import a design.